can't. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out the Menstrual Cup salts. So to continue on my natural journey of natural living, I want to stop using tampons. I actually only use tampons currently that are organic, but I want to kind of do away with them altogether. This video is probably not gonna be for everybody, because I'm super transparent in everything that I do in my life. So I'm going to show you my true first impression of the Saalt Cup, every part of the Saalt Cup. So if you don't want to see what comes out of this Saalt Cup, you might want to fast forward to the end so you can get my overall review of the product. So this is the Saalt Cup, and I haven't taken it out of the package yet. First impression of the package, I'm intimidated. There is something called a Diva Cup. I was interested in possibly trying that like last year, but I got scared and I decided not to. I mean, just looking at it, right? It just looks like, I'm gonna take it out the package in just a second, but just looking at it, yeah, because this is something that's gonna go in my vagina in the place of a tampon, and it can stay up there for up to 12 hours. So just even the thought of that, something just being up there, and I just feel like it'll overflow and I'm gonna have a mess and I'm gonna have blood everywhere. Like this is this is what I'm thinking. I did purchase it from Target. You can get it from saltco.com. Also, the Menstrual Cup has no latex, again, no chemicals, 100% medical grade silicone, FDA registered and compliant. The cup at Target was $32.99. Oh, I can't. Well, the good thing is that the seal on here there is really good, because I cannot open it. So at least you know that. Okay, I gotta get some scissors and I'm gonna open this up because I'm ready to see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, I have it open now, and I feel like I did wash my hands, but I just feel like I'm gonna wash my hands again when I insert it. But this is what it looks like. This is so little and cute. Oh. Okay, so I believe this is how I'm supposed to insert it, and I'm supposed to fold it like this. I don't know what I'm doing, and then once it's up there, then it just plop, I don't know, unfolds itself, and then it sits there. And then I will figure out how to take it out when it's time to take it out. The Saalt cups are not supplied in a sterile state, so you may choose to boil your cup in water for 4 to 5 minutes to sanitize it. Okay, so I think that's what I'm gonna go do. Let me know that it is not sterilized or sanitized at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Try to get this up in my vagina and be back to let y'all know how it went. So I am back and it's in there, I guess. I don't know how good. I was stressed out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, it really stressed me out. Like, it was stressful because I don't know what I'm doing. So, like, I followed the instructions. I feel like I folded it the correct way. I sterilized. I also purchased, because I'm so extra, inside of Target, they actually have which I don't know what I did with it, but I will insert it somewhere now. But they also had a salt wash, well, a Saalt cup wash where I can cleanse the cup. So I used that after I boiled it for about 4 minutes in water. Then I washed my hands and rinsed the cup off with water and the solution. And then I folded the cup up just as I showed you previously, or I might shoot it over here, just like this. And I just stuck it up there. It says that I can leave it up in my vagina for 12 hours. I'm not gonna leave it up there that long. I don't feel it, so I mean, I'm used to, I mean, it kind of feels like a tampon, like how tampons feel, but I don't know. I know it's not a tampon up there, and so I'm worried that I will have leakage. So I am gonna wear a panty liner so I don't mess up my underwear, but I'll be back. Well, I am back, and I have a lot to tell you about this Saalt cup. First, the first time that I put it in, that did not work. I completely ruined my underwear. But I'm not a quitter, so I tried it again. So I've had the Saalt cup in for approximately 7 hours. Even though it says that you can't leave it up there for 12 hours, I was really ready to just see what it actually looks like with something actually in it. So I did go ahead and take it out at 7 hours, and I'm getting ready to show you guys what it looked like and how that went. So this is the point where if you don't want to see it, fast forward. So right at this point, I just took the cup out, and I am so disgusted. You can see that I fill the cup up more than halfway. So I'm not really sure if I would have been able to leave it up for a full 12 hours because I have a very heavy flow the first 2 days of my period. So as you can see, I'm so disgusted, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the toilet and clean it out and reinsert. Okay, I know that was a lot. That was so intense, but can you imagine like what I was going through? So I really feel like this product is so messy. But as far as the comfortability, it's back up there now, and I'm comfortable. I actually have been comfortable with it in all day. I feel like it will take some getting used to because again, when I had to reinsert it, it was a little difficult, and I kept like kind of pinching myself. So I just have to get the hang of actually reinserting it. But I think the more I use it, the more comfortable I will get. I'm definitely going to continue to use the Saalt cup because I just like to try new things, and I'm going to see if I can get comfortable with this. I feel like there are great benefits to the Saalt cup, and that's one of the reasons why I went ahead and finally decided to go ahead and try it. I strongly suggest anyone that is interested in it, definitely go ahead and give it a try. Because really you'll only know if it works for you if you try it out. Me telling you and showing you my experience, like, it helps, and maybe it'll motivate you to actually test it out, but you're not gonna know until you actually get in there. Like, there are great benefits, you know, because the product lasts for 10 years. So on average, you'll be saving yourself around $1,500 over the lifespan of the menstrual cup. And who doesn't like to save money? So I mean, that alone, that benefit of me being able to save and not have to purchase tampons is going to be great. You also have more time in between your changes. I don't know about you, but I typically change my tampon between like 2 to 3 hours, every 2 to 3 hours. Well, now, like, I'm so not used to this, but I won't have to, like, say I won't have to change it for a whole 12 hours, which means that I can go the entire day, keep the cup up there, and just take it out when I come home, you know, at the end of the day. So I feel like that is definitely a plus. The menstrual cup also helps with vaginal dryness, as well as promotes a natural pH balance. Compared to tampons, tampons absorb about 65% of your menstrual fluid and 35% of your natural moisture. This creates an unbalance of moisture and pH level of your vagina. However, the menstrual cup will not interfere with your vaginal environment. So I definitely look to see if it does help with dryness. I definitely deal with that right after my period. And one other thing that I found out that I find to be quite interesting is that they say that you can have sex when you got this cup inside of you. So, I won't be giving you guys an update on that because I'm not gonna try that out. Y'all want to break something, but I mean, obviously someone has done it and it was successful. So again, if that's something that you're also looking forward to be able to have sex when you're on your period, there you go. You can do it with a cup right up there. But anyways, if you guys enjoy my videos, if you like this video, if you thought this video was entertaining or informational, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you've ever tried a menstrual cup. Let me know what your experience was like. I try to post weekly, so definitely go ahead and tap that notification button so you can be notified as soon as my video drops. Until the next video,